In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this lens right here. You can pick this up at Walmart for $10. This is an 8x zoom lens that you can attach to your phone, and we're going to be reviewing it here, all coming up. Hey guys, welcome to Mobile Creators, helping you build your influence online with nothing but your smartphone. And in today's video, we're talking about this 8x lens that you can attach to your phone. This was $10 at Walmart. I repeat, $10. So is it even going to be worth it? If it's Walmart quality, is it even going to be worth it? That's what we're going to be taking a look at. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the test footage that I've gotten with this. So there's not much to say about this. It does come with this little clippy thing where you can clip it on. You can either clip it onto the front-facing camera just like that, or you can clip it onto the front-facing camera, which I think is an interesting idea. The tough part I find is actually trying to get this guy on here and lining it up perfectly. It is not like the Moment lenses where it's designed, you just click and it goes in. This is basically movable around, which could be a good thing and a bad thing, but it does take some time to actually line it up, and it'll take a few seconds to get it actually perfectly where it needs to be. So let's take a look at the test footage, and then I'll give you my opinion on this lens. What are your thoughts on it? Because when I went online, all I heard was, it's out of focus, this is poor quality, why is it manipulating it, why is this good quality, I paid $10, what a waste of money. But I mean, what did you expect with a $10 Walmart lens? It's not going to be the best quality, but that doesn't mean it is horrible. Because after using this a bit, I can honestly say that personally, I would recommend this to every single mobile filmmaker out there. And the reason why is not because it has this awesome, superb quality that just trumps every other lens out there. I think the effect that this lens produces is really unique and interesting. And I mean, sometimes it looks pretty good, and other times it gives us this neat distortion effect. I think having that in your arsenal of things to use and accessories to use with your phone, I think this could have some really cool effects done with it in a short film or even just a video in general. And see, I came with the receipt because I was thinking I'd just use it, see how crappy it is, and then probably just return it. But I'm honestly going to keep this and use this possibly in future projects. But what are your thoughts on the footage? Do you think it looked good? Maybe you had this lens yourself. What were your thoughts? Let me know down in the comment section below. And be sure to let me know your thoughts on the other lenses I reviewed, which I'm going to have a link in the description to that video. But thank you for watching today's episode, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.